In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to gift a Substack subscription. If you've ever wanted to share a favorite writer's work with a friend or celebrate a special occasion with something thoughtful and useful, this walkthrough will make it simple and clear. Start by opening Substack. You can use a web browser or the app, whichever you prefer. Once you're in, look to the left side of the screen and click Subscriptions. This brings you to the hub where your subscription options live. Next, click Paid. This narrows the view to publications that offer paid tiers you can gift, so you're only seeing options that support gifting. Now click Explore Publications. Here you'll find a range of newsletters and podcasts to support, from trending writers to niche experts. Take a moment to browse and choose a publication you want to share. When you've decided, click that publication to open its page. On the Publications page, click Upgrade to Paid. This is the usual path for subscribing for yourself, and it also includes the gift option. Click Gift. You'll be prompted to choose the length of the gift, either a month or a year. Monthly is great if you're trying it out or sending a short-term present, while yearly often delivers better overall value. Next, enter the email address of the person you're sending it to. Double-check the spelling to ensure the gift goes to the right inbox. You can also add a message. A short note adds a personal touch, like why you chose this publication or a warm greeting for the occasion. If you'd rather keep things low-key, you can send the gift anonymously, which hides your name from the recipient. There's also an option to schedule it for later. That's perfect for birthdays, holidays, or any special date. Set it once, and Substack will deliver on time. When everything looks good, enter your credit card details and click Buy Gift. Before confirming, review the duration, the recipient's email, and your message. Your payment is processed through Substack's secure checkout, and the recipient will not be charged. This is a prepaid gift from you. After purchase, Substack sends the recipient an email with simple instructions to redeem the gift and start enjoying the content right away or on the date you scheduled. That's all it takes. By following these clicks, subscriptions, paid, explore publications, choose a publication, upgrade to paid, gift, pick the duration, add the recipient's email and message, adjust anonymity or scheduling, and then complete payment. You can share great writing in just a minute or two.